This is Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update for September 20th. Corn was lower on Friday as it was pressured by harvest progress and a seasonal tendency to trend lower this time of year. We have seen the quick ship premiums disappear, with processors now posting harvest-type basis numbers throughout the Corn Belt. Now, the main debate on Friday seemed to be over the potential for an increase in acres when the USDA releases their October report. Some traders believe that the discrepancy between the FSA acreage data and the USDA's last projection will force another update to corn and soybean acreage. In the history of reporting, there's only been one occasion in which the USDA has changed their acreage data in response to FSA numbers. So a change at this time would seem to be fairly unlikely, although I suspect it's going to be at the forefront of the trade's mind until we get that October report. Well, on Friday, all of this combined to pressure corn prices lower, with the December futures ending the day down 2.25 cents as they settle at $5.27 In recent months, soybeans have lived and died based on what soybean oil did, and on Friday they died with soybean oil as it was pressured lower by rumors that the EPA was coming out with an 11th hour renewable volume obligations press release. They're going to release it late on Friday, hoping to take advantage of that shortened news feed that comes with a bad news release late on a Friday. Concerns over what the Biden administration is doing in this area has caused December soybean oil futures to drop by 16% from their recent summer highs. On Friday, the net result was that November soybean futures closed 12 cents lower, ending the session at $12.84 per bushel. Wheat was weak in sympathy with the rest of the grain complex. Weather forecasts for the U.S. winter wheat planting season show helpful rains in the 15-day outlook for both the southern plains and the Pacific Northwest. With the U.S. wheat producer price supports at their best levels in more than 8 years, there are estimates that these prices may buy in an additional million total acres of wheat, with most of that coming in the winter wheat category. At the close on Friday, we had Minneapolis December futures down 6 cents, settling at $9.50 per bushel. Kansas City was 7.5 cents lower, closing at $7.13. And Chicago futures were down 4.25 cents as they ended the day at $7.08 per bushel. Cotton had a very slow trading session. At the finish, we had the December futures 18 points lower, closing at 92.33. Livestock futures were mixed. At the close, October live cattle were 80 cents lower, closing at $122.80. October feeder cattle were down 72.5 cents as they settled at $156.37 per hundredweight. October lean hog futures gained a little bit of ground. They were 25 cents higher, ending the day at $85.72.5 per hundred. Class 3 milk futures traded in a very tight trading range and closed slightly higher. At the finish on Friday, October futures were up 3 points, settling at 17.18. Meat cutout values continue to be under pressure. Choice box beef ended the day down $3.53, closing at $314.47. Select boxes were 52 cents lower as they settled at $279.75. And pork carcass cutout values were slightly weaker as well. They closed down 56 cents, settling at $105.41 per hundredweight. This has been Craig Haugard with your Financial Issues Ag Update. We'll be right back with more financial issues after this.